A ball of mass 0.5 kg is dropped from a height of 40 meter. The ball hits the ground and rises to a height of 10 meter. The impulse imparted to the ball during its collision with the ground is. We have to find the impulse imparted to the ball. Now to know this, we know the impulse is change in momentum. So we have to first calculate the velocity before the collision and velocity after the collision. So the ball is dropped from a height 40 meter. So it is dropped from a height 40 meter, and assume it hits the ground with a speed v1 and the height h is equal to 40 meter. So the potential energy at A is mgh is equal to the kinetic energy before the collision, that is half mv1 square. So m cancels, v1 is equal to root over 2gh. So 2gh. Now the value of g, that is 2 into g is 9.8. So 9.8 into h is 40. So 9.8 is 98 by 10. So this is becomes 98 is 49 into 2. So 7 into 4, 28. So v1 is equal to 28 root 28 meter per second. So it hits the ground with 28 meter per second. Now when it rebounds, it goes a distance h is equal to 10 meter, and assume after collision its velocity is v2. So after collision its kinetic energy is half mv2 square, and this is equal to the potential energy at the highest point, that is at B, mgh. So mgh, h is here 10 meter. So m cancels, again v2 is equal to root over twice gh. So root over twice g is 9.8 and h is 10. So this is 98 by 10. So this becomes 2 into 98, that is 2 into 98 is 49 into 2. So for root over 49 in 7 and 2 into 2 is 4. So 14 meter per second. So v2 is 14 meter per second. So we have to find the impulse. Impulse is change in momentum. So change in momentum. So the final momentum is mv2 minus initial momentum is mv1. So m is take common. So v2 is 14 meter per second minus v1. v1 is 28. But if we take the y-axis as positive, v2 as positive, then v1 is in this direction. So v1 is negative. So minus of minus is plus, that is plus 28 meter per second. And m is 0.5 kg. So 0.5 into 42. So 0.5 is 0.55 by 10. So 5 by 10 is 5 into 2 is 10. 42 is 2 into 2, 4 into 1, that is 21. So 21 Newton second. So the impulse is 21 Newton second. So the impulse is equal to the change in momentum. So 21 nanosecond Newton second is the correct answer. Thanks for watching. Please like this video, subscribe my channel and share this video.